Girl, I take the hate and eat that shit for breakfast. And yeah, I like my eggs with a side of mac shit. And Hello guys, this is Lisa Irene and welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is the last part of our video blog sa ating pink room renovation. Pero open pa din ako sa anumang modification and improvement na mangyayari sa room ko. For now, eto muna ang kaya ng ating budget. At ngayon, ilalagay na natin ang ating soundproofing panels sa mga windows. Dahil syempre, gusto ko naman tahimik na streaming room lalo na ang work natin ay VA sa gabi. Dami kasing aso dito sa amin at poultry pa yung tabi ng aking room. Yung kahoy na yan ay paglalagyan ng soundproofing panel na nakaharap sa monitor natin. Removable yan kaya pag gusto ko may pumasok na araw sa room ko ay pwede ko siyang tanggalin anytime at ibalik din.
I need some new clothes, head to the thrift shop for something. Feels like I'm at Damon because I'm going hunting. Got a couple of shirts, found a few that were name brands. We talking shit like fuck these corporations while the logo's on our right chest. I know what you thinking in the blunts in my left hand. Gives these Saturdays a little more life, man. We both plead the fifth, but flashing lights ring. Graduation never felt so distant. I'm in a Saturdays with you. There's so many clouds in my room. Let the music play a while, even in the after hours. You looking hella cute. I'm in a Saturdays with you. There's so many clouds in my room.
Kung mapapansin nyo, hindi ako naglagay sa taas na isa kong window dahil para sa umaga may natural na lighting sa loob ng studio. Next naman na ginawa ko ay yung neon light logo signage ko. Meron akong separate video kung paano ko siya ginawa. Nasa description ang link ng video. It is an easy way to DIY a logo signage for your room. Sumunod naman na nilagay ko para dagdag ambience sa aking room ay ang Hatsi RGBIC LED strips. Meron din akong separate video dyan dahil napaka-cool ng LED strip na ito. Grabe maka-gaming room ang peg pag may ganito ka.
She parks by the tennis courts, I don't mind. Brown button eyes like you Coraline. Oh, that's right.
Para maging matchy sa color scheme natin ang ating monitor, dinikitan ko ng pink vinyl para naman kunyari pink monitor din. Wala pa tayong pambili magandang monitor guys, kaya yan muna. Itong monitor ko na ito sa asawa ko pagaling. I think more than 10 years na ang tanda nito. Pero ayos pa din at hindi pa naman nagloloko. Ayan, nagkaroon pa tayo ng another monitor. And dinikitan lang natin siya ng vinyl guys. Para may pink na accent yung ating monitor. Second monitor was given by my mom. Retired teacher na kaya hindi na niya gagamitin ang PC monitor niya. Kaya sa akin na niya pinamana. Essential sa akin to for multitasking sa pag-stream ko. And let's put this one, Planet 9. One of my investment from Abu Dhabi. Cute yan, iba-ibang color yan. May app siya, may sarili siyang app. Mamili ng color na gusto mo. Ang favorite ko dyan ito. Wait lang, nasunod. Yun siya. Favorite color ko. Color scheme. Itong galing tong Singapore. Yung mga yan sticker to. Ito galing sa binili kong cosmetics. Kung nakita niyo yung post ko sa Instagram, binili ko sa Shopee din to. Lalagyan to ng tissue. Tapos dito, pwede milagay yung cellphone mo dyan. And comics from my sister. Ito na yung pinaka-nakakangawit kong ginawa sa room na to. Ang gumamit ng silicone sealant para takpan ang awang-awang sa ceiling para mailagay ko na yung 3D panel. Akala ko talaga mapipilay na dyan yung kamay ko kasi ang tigas pala gamitin ng silicone gun. O siguro dahil bago siya kaya matigas. I don't know. Oh man. Grabe tigas. Tigas pala dun, no? Ayan, no? Wala. Oh. Hindi na ako makapag-PUBG to. Grabe, magkakapili ata ako. Open 24 pieces 3D ceiling wall. And then dikit sa wall or dinikit sa ceiling. Nakita ko lang to ano eh, kay Idol Boss Lucio. Ginawa niya sa wall niya. Sa akin, ilalagay ko sa ceiling ko naman. Wow! Pwede. Pero gusto ko white lang.
Siyempre kung gaano kahirap maglagay ng sealant, eh lalo na itong maglagay ng ceiling panel. Ginusto ko to eh. Without any help from anyone, nagawa ko to ng ako lang. I'm proud to myself. Sakit nga lang sa batok, guys. Ay, naku mare, ang ganda ng 3D panel ceiling. Grabe mga sci-fi, futuristic modern ceiling yarn. Sunod naman natin kakabit ay itong magnetic picture wall frame. Nabili ko to sa Shopee. Hindi mo na kailangan magbutas sa pader. Dikit-dikit na lang. Tapos pwede mong palitan yung photo with ease. By the way, the artwork is from Chupadoodles. Check them out on IG.
I added some more shelves in here. 1, 2, 3 shelves. Para sa mga collection natin Migo. Yan. Yung dating nandito na cabinet, nilipat ko na. Yan.
At bumili din tayo ng wooden signage para sa ating door. Ayan, nakalagay on live, do not disturb pag tinalikod mo siya. Lalagay ko po sa description below kung saan ko po siya binili sa Shopee. Naglagay din ako ng room lock kung sakaling wala ako dito ay may sasara ko siya at safe ang aking magamit sa loob. Now, let's proceed with the final reveal!
That I be here calling you baby, baby, baby. I don't like wasting my time. I don't like risking it all. Too busy handling mine. Too independent to fall. And I don't even know why you make me want to shove. To keep it honey, honey. I think I liar, liar. Now all I do is think about you. Every night lay up with you. Just can't get you off my mind. And you know that's why I fuck with you. And all the lies that I done drawn, you've been erasing. Never usually the one who wanna save 'em. Never thought that I'd be here calling you baby, baby, baby. But I fuck with you. And all the rules that I done said, you got me breaking. Wanted you to meet my mama, that shit crazy. Never thought that I'd be here calling you baby, baby, baby. Look at you making me smile. You got me answering texts. Be head in the game.